Good afternoon, fellow Toastmasters and
Good
guests.
afternoon.
My name is Selvaraj, and I will be the yesterday's joint milestone meeting. I welcome you all to the 125th meeting of AATC and 100th meeting of Toastmasters Club. Before starting the meeting, I would like to mention 3 ground rules which we follow in our Toastmasters. Please turn off your mobile phones or put them on silent mode. As our Toastmasters, we don't talk about religion and politics, so please refrain from discussing these topics. Please do not cross-talk, as our meeting are happening online because of this pandemic. So the ground rules can be mentioned as yourself on mute if you are not speaking. Please turn off your video if you are stepping out of. As everybody in their life has a mission to achieve their goals. Likewise, our Toastmasters has a mission. The mission of our Toastmasters Club is to provide a mutually supportive and positive learning environment in which opportunity to develop communication and leadership skills, which in turn foster self-confidence and personal growth. I announce this meeting as open and hand over the stage to presiding officer. Over to, thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Selvaraj, Sergeant at Arms, for opening the mission and vision of Toastmasters Club. I welcome you all to 100th meeting of Perambure's biggest Toastmasters Club and one of Ambattur Achievers Toastmasters Club. It's a joint milestone meeting. As we all know, milestone meetings are very special to everyone. And I would like to introduce some of our guests and also some dignitaries present in the meeting. I would start with our club coach, DTM Distinguished Toastmaster Ashok, our area director, Periana sir, and our immediate past director, Distinguished Toastmaster Vaikunth Venkatesh. Distinguished Toastmaster Vaikunth Venkatesh, could you please introduce yourself?
I'll come in last, please. Still having lunch.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. And I would also like to welcome our guest, Res. Res, are you there? Res? Okay. Can we move on to Yashmita? Yashmita, could you please introduce yourself? Yeah, let's move on to another guest. We have visiting Toastmaster. Someone naming Tirumalesh. Yeah, Tirumalesh is from our club. Okay, so moving on. Once the king, and he has thousands of elephants in his kingdom. Among all those, one elephant is very powerful, very obedient, and the best in fighting skills. In many years, he was sent to battlefield and only returned after having victories. He was the most loved elephant to the king, and also out of these hundreds and thousands of elephants. Time went by, and they old. The king did not send him to a war hereafter, but he still remains in the king's theme as king peace and also joy when he sees this elephant. Once the elephant went to the nearby lake to drink the water, stuck into the mud and started sinking into it. But he tried a lot and he could not pull himself out of the mud. People around him, no elephant was in big trouble by the sounds of his scream. The news also reached the king because everybody knew he was the favorite to the king. There, and all other people gathered around the king made various efforts to get him out of the mud. It was not a small animal, as you all elephant. It's a gigantic elephant. In the meantime, an old retired minister from the king's court was passing by the way. In the situation, he spoke to the king and suggested to bring the battle drum and play around the lake. However, as soon as the battle drum started ringing, there was the elephant. He started to stood up slowly and then pull himself out of the mud on his own. Everybody around him was shocked. Wasn't a physical lack of ability in the elephant, but the just need to enthusiasm was required, and that was done. To maintain the enthusiasm in life, it is necessary to humans maintain a purposeful thing to have positive mindset. The moral of the story is in today's challenging times, we all need to infuse enthusiasm in our lives and others. We need to celebrate every small joy and happiness, love, and abundance of good health. With this, is our master of ceremony of today's meeting, Toastmaster Riaz. Toastmaster Riaz is Toastmaster Riaz is working as a sales manager in Abbott Medical Devices. Toastmasters a year ago, and he loves to connect people and read books. Without further ado, I welcome our MC of today's meeting, Toastmaster Riaz.
Good afternoon, everyone. I believe I'm audible. Right, we can do this. Yeah. Thank you, everyone, all for today's milestone meeting. So it's a great achievement, follow. Let us all put the hands together for achieving 120th meeting US Club and 100th meeting of Paramount Speakers Toastmaster Club. Wow, what a great achievement today. So let us all please switch on your camera so that I have beautiful and wonderful smiling faces. So let me start with a note, with a kural from Thiruvalluvar. கேட்டார் பிணிக்கும் தகையவாய் கேளாரும் வேட்ப மொழிவதாம் சொல். The meaning of this kural is, an eloquent speaker is one who speaks in such a way that those who listen to him would long for him to speak further. Also, who have missed listening to his speech will regret they missed listening to his speech. So this is the, I think, mantra of Toastmaster Club. So where we all are there and aspire so many speakers and so many people around us to inspire them and to be motivational in their life. Wow, what a line from Thirukural. With this note, let me say there are so much of interesting and wonderful excitement for today. We have an amazing keynote speaker, we have a reward share, we have a special talent session, so many wonderful lots of for entire meeting. And one more special thing, there is no grammarian and art counter for today's meeting. So that is the biggest achievement of milestone to both our presidents. So we have only timer for today's meeting. So with that, now let us dwell into the nostalgic movement of Toastmaster Club and Ambattur Achievers Toastmaster Club. For all of you, we have a short and sweet video which has been prepared by the president of and president of Perambur Speakers Club. May I request video of Ambattur Achievers and Perambur Club.
On this auspicious day, let me reiterate the fact that Toastmasters has become a way of life, and further, AATC has become a way of family life. You know, it is such a great sense of belonging, such a fabulous sense of commitment to be an integral part of AATC, which has helped me and helped many more to come out victoriously and successfully in life. Thank you.
Hi, Ambattur Achievers Toastmasters Club. I wish a great, amazing celebration of 125th meeting and much more to come in near future. And for me personally, Ambattur Achievers Toastmaster Club has helped me in shaping my speaking skills to a greater extent and also my driving skill to a greater extent. Yes, you heard it right. Initially, when I started to drive, I used to drive from my home to Ambattur Toastmaster Club, which is 15 kilometers away from my home, and learned my driving skills. Thank you, Ambattur Achievers Toastmaster Club, for making me a better speaker and a better driver.
Wow. Yes, and thank you so much, Toastmaster Pradeep and Toastmaster Mukesh, all the wonderful moments of the past 1 year, or, I mean, 100 as well as 125 meetings of both the clubs meeting. Thank you once again. Yes, you know, Toastmasters, the family, whether we connected virtually, offline, or online, still we are connected to run this club, and it's a big and great achievement to achieving an 125 meeting. There is a lot of struggles happened, and still we are running, and finally we are here to celebrate this milestone meeting. Now, I think already the red card, so I quickly need to hand over the session to the keynote speaker. So let me introduce our keynote speaker of today's session, Bharat Kumar. A short intro about her. She did her MSc Management from UK. She has a 15 years of work experience. She worked in great companies such as HSBC, British Airways. Now currently she's working in Hyundai. Her mantra is passion with purpose, awarded as Best Trainer and Blogger of 2021. Her topic for today is something more interesting and quite exciting. You guys all can relate it. Somewhere in life, we all might have listened to this word, philosophy. I just heard this word in the bus, but I think there is a lot of exciting and interesting things the speaker is awaiting to share with us. So, with no further ado, let me call our quiet speaker, Perlina, on this virtual stage. Over to you, Perlina.
Thank you. Am I audible? First, can I get that clarified? Am I great? Fine. So let me start. Hope you can see my screen. A symbol of love, a symbol of hope, a symbol that enchants single soul. This is exactly how I started my very first Toastmaster competition. I was the youngest, brightest, and I was the most promising Toastmaster of my division. I was standing on this beautiful stage where I saw many thousands of eyes looking up at this young girl wearing a beautiful red salwar with a beautiful rose in her hand. What was my topic all about? It was about Valentine's Day, as you could imagine, with a rose in my hand and a charming red dress. Stood in the first competition of my life, trying to make a massive expression. That's how I started my topic in the first. And I could see the judges were gleaming, the audience were clapping. There was so much of excitement in the air. And guess what? I never forgot a bigger rose that time. Now it's kind of tiny. You'll know why when I tell you later. So as I stood there with my prop, no sense of nervousness whatsoever. Me, I used the entire stage. So I walked from that end to the other end. By the way, all that is in count, right? In Toastmasters. And I used a on my face. I did crack a lot of jokes. Trust me, everybody were laughing. How do I know it was a good joke? Because we were all rolling with laughter, right? I kept looking at the timer, just giving him that soft look until the moment he could put the red block up, I finished. Now, how cool was that? Everybody were happy with me. I had the applause going for it. I looked absolutely on stage. I got off stage with so much of confidence, and oh my God, that seemed the best day of my life. I got off the stage and I sat. You know, when you feel like a winner, the way you sit is totally different, right? All your winners would know that, right? So I sat me. There was a sense of, everyone's looking at you. So I started smiling, that celebrity look. And I felt absolutely honored. A group of fellow Toastmasters from my division were like, yeah, lady, that's the way you do it. And I'm like, yeah, man, never let you guys down. So there were other contestants say that I was going to be the most favored, the most desired, the most promising one. So, there's this time in Toast would agree with me when you have the person, the judges giving out their verdict, as we call them, right? So the hour counter said, oh, these are the number of hours at the grammarian, and thank God you said there are two important. So when they said the winner is, I was just at the tip of my seat, getting ready to put on my shoes, tell us okay, the joy of winning is really cool. You don't have to have wetty legs and wetty hands. So I was sitting at the edge of the chair, and the moment it was not me. I was like, what happened? I had the right prop. I spoke Valentine's Day. The judges were fantastic because that's what they told me. The session was fantastic. My topic was fantastic. The way the audience were excellent because they all kept clapping hands saying excellent, excellent. Then what happened? What happened? Masters, that's when I realized what failure was like. And that day, I decided never to wear a red. That's why today I'm in black, okay? Winner by default. But that was the day I felt that winning was never going to be my cup of tea. The stage be the place I would ever get onto. I felt absolutely dejected. I wanted to ask those judges what went wrong. I did a good, I mean, everything was going for it. What happened? And I got off as a very sad, dejected person. So this afternoon, my masters, I'm sure you agree with me, failure is very ugly, right? Failure is not just about ugliness, but failure feels heavy, burdensome. Sometimes failures also make you believe that you're not worth it at all. And that's exactly how I felt. I felt I was not worth it. It was never going to be my favorite place. I never liked roses. Trust me, after that, I thought they were crazy flowers to have. Get rid of it. Get to any other competitions anymore. After all, that's not my piece of cake. But oh my, failure really, really is a horror. It's like walking through this dungeon, through this tunnel all alone, and you feel that there's just nobody with you. But guess what? That start trusting on God and say, God, do I really have any talents at all? Can I really do this? What happened? What went wrong? So questions just surrounded me. But that's when I came across a very interesting story. And I'm sure you all love stories, right? Yes, we all love it, right? And especially in the corporate world, gossip is the fashion, it's the culture thing. So let me tell you a story. There was a tragedy that every time a person made a mistake, be it robbery or be it some kind of a cheating or murder or whatever, what bring that culprit, or as we call it, criminal, in the middle of the village, and everybody would tell that victim all the good things they thought about him. Now, what happens when people tell you all the good things about you when you know worth it at all? So this guy was flooded with good news for the 2 days. Everybody said, "Oh, he's such a nice guy. Why he, the criminal, felt really bad. He said, but hey, I'm a criminal. But the tribe said, no, you aren't. These are all the good things we have to tell you. And what the tribe actually intended to do is to put in all good things about the criminal to the criminal, so that for himself that he is no longer a criminal and there is so much of good in him that he can change. I wish I was part of that tribe when I had lost. All I could hear is a lot of negativeness about myself. I can't do this. This is not my piece of cake. But then I realized that failures not just a psychological thing, but failures always need to challenge you. Philosophy, as we call it, right? So for a long on stage, I was petrified of getting on stage. I could never believe that could make a profession out of me at all. But oh, how wrong. What I did was I used that failure. I used that story and I was thinking to myself, why can't it be me saying good things about Musk? So what did I do? I said, hey, you know what? That's okay to go goof up on stage, or probably people don't think you're good enough when you think you're good. Won that contest anyway because I spoke my best. I gave my best shot. I don't think I could have done any better. So as for me, that's all that matters. So I came off after some days, after a few days. When you fail, it's strange enough, but you get a lot with me. Everybody like, oh, so sad, yeah. My God, you were the best. Everybody knew it. I love to ask those people, why didn't you go speak to the quiet? You should have, right? But you see, that's amazing how many friends you get to console you, to make you feel good. So I felt the same way. But you know what? I have a choice to make today. So I rejected those kind of, oh, so sorry for you. Now the R's and the O's patient feeling that, they feel bad for you. And my Toastmaster president said, hey, you know what? You are always ask me. And I said, thank you so much, but I don't help. So, that experience taught me a massive lesson. Sometimes we feel frightened when people laugh at us, right? Embarrassed. But trust me, sometimes it's good to laugh at yourself too. So that then it becomes we laughing at ourselves rather than we standing as a victim. And And that day I thought the stage would never be mine, but I thought, why not give it a go? Maybe not in a Toastmasters, maybe. So I started going for little chit chat talks, went on stage, started talking with no expectation whatsoever. I would do my best. I felt I gave it my 100%. I said, hey, you know what? I'm the winner by default. And guess what? That changed my life completely. Nearly 12 years of that experience, there has been no stage that I've ever not gone into. There has been no speeches that are out. There have been no applause and applause that have been too noisy for me to hear. It's been an amazing experience. And that's when that failure is not about opening doors. You know, they say that proverb, failure is a stepping stone for success. I believe failure success if you use it and stand on it. I remember thinking that I will never ever go back to anything that I'm bad. Realized that my failure could be used as my main stone to climb the other big rocks that God had in mind. I did. So I want to encourage you, fellow Toastmasters. I know there are various reasons why people join Toastmasters Club for their own personal growth or just to mingle and get to know people. And for the single people, it's a place to mingle with people, right? So it's a very exciting. Use this place to get rid of your failures, get rid of your fears, and you will see that it's always exciting to see for us in the coming days and what all potentials we have. There was one guy I always used to hate, one particular role, who counter. No, he's a very tricky fellow because every single OR he keeps counting. But I really thank that job because that keeps you to be in your language, makes you do the very best in you. So I realized that failures is something that can be used amazing. And trust me, one thing I learned before I end is that failures is one place that if you put your leg on it, stand on it, and tell you I'm still going to do it, it gives you a success far beyond a success that you would have earned in a normal manner. If I could take that, if I had won that award, probably I would have been on a lot of stages, but I don't know whether I would have used my potential to the fullest. But because I used that rock to stand and to prove to myself what I was capable of, I realized the world was a bigger place, had much more potentials to offer than I ever imagined. So today, I think we all know what we fear the most, right? Would COVID come to me at my door? Probably that fellow who's standing in front of me has COVID. It's scary nowadays. If you look at humans, we run for our lives, right? And the funny thing is, man, to the bank officer, everybody looks in the shape of a COVID for some odd reason. We are fearing a bacteria or a viral infection that we, but that is really frightening us, frightening our lives. Will I live to see her tomorrow? But let me tell you something. Scientists say that a lot of COVID impacted patients are going through that problem mainly when they have realized that still emotionally, right? So failure is not something that's always external. It happens within. When you feel you're a failure, then it's all gone. So, first of all, thank you for inviting me and giving me this opportunity. I would like to encourage all of you to start using your failures as your rock to stand. See that failures are the most exciting place to be in and the most exciting place it will put you in if you use it for your very growth. Masters, thank you for inviting me and having me here today. It's been a pleasure. So, philosophy, take it and throw it in the bin and use it for your success. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Perlina, for such an amazing speech. We all have become like seriously because each and everyone have their own failure in their life. So specifically, I can correlate myself also when you are giving your speech. The same reason, so because of my manager who used to tell me every day you're not at all capable of giving any speech. You need to improve a lot. And today he was like tough every client to give a speech whenever I need to discuss with them about the product. So that's where I am thinking. So thank you so much for giving an amazing speech once again. Thank you. Yes, so now we are completed our keynote speaker. So I think we all have taken enough of back about what is failure and take the failure into a stepping stone for success. Now, quickly let me move on to an amazing and interesting session happened by an amazing Toastmaster, Guna. The speech or the session which we are going to conduct is about all not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talent. This was a statement said by Abdul Kalam. So here we in the Toastmaster milestone meeting, we are here to invite Toastmaster Good, all a special talent of our Toastmaster club. So I think there is a lot of opportunities which Guna sir is going to give each one of us to showcase that. No further ado, let me quickly hand over the virtual stage to Toastmaster for conducting a wonderful session. Before that, a short intro, Guna sir. Toastmaster Guna sir. He is a Toastmaster from a decade ago. More than 10 years, he was a Toastmaster. He was the smallest club in Chennai. Currently, he worked as a past area director for B3 Club. So he's serving, he has taken numerous clubs. So he is a gemstone for Ambattur Achievers Toastmaster Club. So let me call Toastmaster Guna sir to conduct the special talent session. Over to you, sir.
I hope it's audible, right? Thank
Yes.
you, Riaz, for that wonderful opening. Go, and now for this segment also. Thank you, Riaz. I don't know, whoever is going to be on the bridge today, on the platform today, is going to be a challenge for them, right? But then, people with special talent, I hope they'll be able to overcome that experience, what was left over by ma'am. Right, when you say special talented people, I think all Toastmasters, by default, the entire Toastmasters brethren, the entire Toastmasters fraternity, by default have talented people, special talents, apart from your communication, leadership, being a good listener and all that, special talents to make that particular segment interesting. So we have 4 of them to start with. It's going to be Toastmaster Selvaraj from AATC, who's known very well, very much in our own club for his singing skills. He used to sing so well when it used to be the pre-pandemic. But after that, I don't know, he could not sing at all for many, many months, meeting us through the computer. He told me once, I only used to dance to my wife's music. That is only I'm not hearing on music from home. I think his daughter encouraged him to a great extent. And today we have Toastmaster Selvaraj for us. Over to Toastmaster Selvaraj. All the best.
Thank you for wonderful introduction, Guna sir. Am I audible? Is it clear?
Clear.
Once again, good afternoon, my dear fellow Toastmasters and yes, my dear ladies and gentlemen. Big part, and I would like to dedicate one small Tamil poem to this 125th meeting of Ambattur Achievers Toastmasters and 100th meeting of Perambur Speakers Toastmasters Club. குழல் இனிது யாழ் இனிது என்பார், குழல் இனிது யாழ் இனிது என்பார், எங்கள் ஏஐடிசி மற்றும் பெரம்பூர் ஸ்பீச்சை கேளாதோர். குழல் இனிது யாழ் இனிது எங்கள் ஏஐடிசி மற்றும் பெரம்பூர் ஸ்பீச்சை கேளாதோர். எங்கெங்கோ இருக்கும் நம் எல்லோரையும் நண்பர்களையும் பெரம்பூர் நண்பர்களையும் ஒன்றாக இங்கே இணைய வைத்து இருக்கும் நம் இடம் நம் ஏஐடிசி. பெருமை சேர்க்கும் இடம் நம் ஏஐடிசி. புத்தனுக்கு ஞானம் கிடைத்த இடம், புத்தனுக்கு ஞானம் கிடைத்த இடம் போதி மரம் என்றால் நம் எல்லோரின் போதி மரம் நம் ஏஐடிசி. இப்போ இவர்களால் நம் ஏஐடிசிக்கு பெருமை மற்றும் ஏஐடிசியால் இவர்கள் எல்லோருக்குமே பெருமை. இவர் தம் பேசும் திறனில் இமயம் போல் உயர்ந்து இருந்தாலும் இவர் தாம் பேசும் திறனில் இமயம் போல் உயர் இதயத்தில் பணிவு காட்டும் நம் அன்பு ராமானுஜம். இவர் தம் பேசும் திறனில் இமயம் போல் உயர்ந்து இருந்தாலும் இதயத்தில் பணிவு காட்டும் நிஜம். தெளிவாக பேசுவதில் சிறப்பாக பேசுவதில் தெளிவாக பேசுவதில் சிறப்பாக பேசுவதில் சிகரம் போல் உயர்ந்து நிற்கும், எவரெஸ்ட் சிகரம் போல் உயர்ந்து நிற்கும் குணங்கள் நிறைந்த நம் அன்பு குணாவர்கள், குணங்கள் நிறைந்த அவர்கள். பெருமைக்கு மேல் பெருமை சேர்க்கும் நாம் பெரியண்ணா, பெருமைக்கு மேல் பெருமை சேர்க்கும் நம் பெரியண்ணா. பேச ஆரம்பித்தால் இவர் ஓர் சுனாமி அலை நம் அன்பு பாலமுரளி. இவரை நம் ஏஐடிசியின் டெண்டுல்கர் என்பேன், இவரை என்பேன் விவேகம் நிறைந்த விவேக். பேச்சுக்கடலின் ஆழத்தில் சென்று முத்தான முத்தே தர்மா, பேச்சுக்கடலின் ஆழத்தில் சென்று முத்தெடுக்கும் முத்தானம் முத்தே தர்மா. தென்றல் போல் தவழ்ந்து வரும் இவர் தம் பேச்சு, தென்றல் போல் தவழ்ந்து வரும் இவர் தம் பேச்சு. நம் அன்பு ஜாஸ்மின். சாதுரியமான சாகர், மேடைக்கு போடும் ஜெகதீஷ். அனுபவங்களின் ஆசான் நம் ஆஞ்சநேய சாஸ்திரி. அன்பான விக்ன விநாசகர் விநாயகமூர்த்தி. ஞானம் நிறைந்த நம் அன்பு ஞானம் சார், ஞானம் நிறைந்த நம் அன்பு ஞானம். நம் எல்லோருக்கும் பிரியமான பெரம்பூர் பிரதீப், நம் பெரம்பூர் பிரதீப். அல்லாவின் ரியல் ரிவார்ட் ரியாஸ், அல்லாவின் ரியல் ரிவார்ட் ரியாஸ். அன்னப்பறவையும் நீரை பிரித்தெடுக்க தெரிந்த, அன்னப்பறவை போல் வாழ்வில் பாலையும் நீரை பிரித்தெடுக்க தெரிந்த பெரம்பூர் எர்லீனா பரத். இனிமேல் தமது பேச்சில் நாம் எல்லோரையும் அசத்த காத்திருக்கும் நம் எஸ்பிஐ. இவர்கள் எல்லோராலும் நம் ஏஐடிசிக்கும் பெருமை, ஏஐடிசியால் இவர் எல்லோருக்கும் பெருமை என்று சொன்னால் அது மிகையாகாது. சொல்வதற்கு இன்னும் நிறைய பெயர்கள் இருந்தாலும் நேரம் கருதி இந்த சிறு தமிழ் கவிதை முடிக்கிறேன். வாய்ப்பளித்தமை thank you. Over to MOD.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Selvaraj. Sorry, I thought as usual sing a good Tamil song, but then this is a different level, citation of a different level. I would like to thank you on behalf of every names were present in the session of your poem, if I can call it, and whose names you could not accommodate due to the paucity of time. Thank you. And now it's time to have a very close look at Toastmaster Anjaneya Shah, a gentleman who have had the privilege of opening his own club, a corporate club in his own company. When he joined AITC Ambattur, it was a different story. One of our main pillars. Let me request Toastmaster Anjaneya Shastri to be on the stage with a beautiful song. The stage is open for you, Toastmaster Anjaneya Shastri.
I think ASK is not yet joined, so we can go with Jnanam sir.
Yeah, okay, Jnanam sir, I hope you are ready. I could see that your better half is also with me. Is it going to be a duet song? I don't know. Anyway, let us hope for the best. Jnanam, Toastmaster Jnanam, when he joined a Toastmasters Club Ambattur 3 years back. Really happy to have him as a lawyer and an LIC executive. And his singing talents are good. With all, still he banks on the set of gods and goddesses who hang behind him always. Okay, it's for Toastmaster Jnanam. Sir, the floor is open for you. No, unmute yourself. Unmute, please. Toastmaster Jnanam.
Hello?
Yeah, you're okay. You're okay. Thank you, ma'am, for giving him mute permission. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
That's duet பாடுறீங்களா சார்? Duet-ஆ? You may start, Toastmaster Jnanam. It's time for you. It is a duet. Okay.
ஞாயிறு என்பது கண்ணாக, திங்கள் என்பது பெண்ணாக, கோவை பழமாக சேர்ந்தே நடந்தது அழகாக. ஞாயிறு என்பது கண்ணா, திங்கள் என்பது பெண்ணாக, செவ்வாய் கோவை பழமாக சேர்ந்தே நடந்தது அழகு. நேற்றைய பொழுது கண்ணோடு, இன்றைய பொழுது கையோடு, பொழுதும் முன்னோடு, நிழலாய் நடப்பேன் பின்னோடு. நேற்றைய பொழுது கண், இன்றைய பொழுது கையோடு, நாளைய பொழுதும் முன்னோடு, நிழப்பேன் பின்னோடு. ஊருக்கு துணையாய் நான் இருக்க, எனக்கு ஒரு துணையை எதிர்பார். ஊருக்கு துணையாய் நான் இருக்க, எனக்கு ஒரு துணையை எதிர்பார்த்தேன். உள்ளத்தின் கோர கேட்ட மைவிழி கிண்ணத்தில் நெய் வார்த்தேன். உள்ளத்தில் கோவிலில் விளக்கேற்ற மைவிழி கிண்ணத்தில் நெய் வார்த்தேன். ஞாயிறு என்பது கண்ணாக, என்பது பெண்ணாக, நாளைய பொழுதும் உன்னோடு, நிழலாய் நடப்பேன் பின்னோடு. முன்னொரு பிறவி எடுத்திருந்தே, உன்னிடம் மனதை கொடுத்திருந்தேன். இன்னொரு பிறவி வந்தே, முன்னொரு பிறவி எடுத்திருந்தேன், உன்னிடம் மனதை கொடுத்திருந்தேன். பிறவி எடுத்து வந்தேன், பேசியபடி கொடுக்க வந்தேன். பின்னொரு பிறவி பேசிய பதிலே கொடுக்க வந்தேன். ஞாயிறு என்பது கண்ணாக, தின்பது பெண்ணாக, நாளைய பொழுதும் உன்னோடு, நிழலாய் நடப்பேன் பின்னோடு.
Fantastic.
Hello.
Goosebumps for everyone on the bridge. இந்த பாட்டுடைய important aspect என்ன தெரியுங்களா? இதுக்கு நடுப்புற ஜூபி ஜூபி ஜூ Zubi, zoo. Zubi, zubi, zoo, zubi, zoo, zubi, I love you. அது சொல்லாமே உள்ள அந்த காதல் பரிணமிக்கிறது. எல்லாரும் one big round of applause. What a way to bring such a wonderful change. Jnana, great sir.
Thanks sir.
சார் இது என்னோட ஃபேவரட் பாட்டு சார் அது. சிக்ஸ் 19 ஹலோ
Yeah, yes, Nanam sir. Yeah, you can speak. Yeah. I think, sir, I think maybe because of network issue, I think will be rejoining.
he's on mute.
Is it? Guna sir there?
No, yes.
Okay, okay. Sure, now let us move. Any special talent? I hope Mutaya, you have the list
Yes,
of
so now we
participants.
have
Can we-
yes, maybe Guna is facing. I hope network she will come back soon. So now the time to go for the next person who will be the past division director, also who got the second DTM in pathways and who is also part of Parambu Speakers Toastmasters Club, also Emerging Leaders Toastmasters Club, who's also club coach of our Parambu Speakers Toastmasters Club. So like this, he will be holding so many cadets in his name behind. Now the time to call the distinguished Toastmaster Ashok Kumar on the stage.
Congratulations, Ambattur Achievers and Parambu Speakers. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I'd like to sing a Tamil song from the film Moondram Karai, my very favorite song. Kanni Kalaimani. It was made in Tamil, Telugu, and Hindi also. Many people may be aware of this song, so I chose this song. கலைமானே கண்ணிமயிலென கண்டேன் உனை நானே கண்ணே கண்ணிமயிலென கண்டேன் உனை நானே அந்திப்பகல் உனை பார்க்கிறேன் ஆண்டவனை இதைத்தான் கேட்கிறேன் ராரிராரோ ஊராரிரோ ராரிராரோ ஊராரிரோ கண்ணே கலைமானே கண்ணிமயிலை தேனுனை நானே ஊமை என்றால் ஒருவரி ஏழை என்றால் அதில் ஒரு அமைதி கிளிப்பேடு பண்பாடும் ஆனந்த குயில் பேடு ஏனோ விதி செய்தது பேதை போல விதி செய்தது கண்ணே கலைமானே மயிலென கண்டேன் உனை நானே அந்திப்பகல் உனை நான் பார்க்கிறேன் இதைத்தான் கேட்கிறேன் ராரிராரோ ஊராரிரோ ராரிராரோ ராரிரோ காதல் கொண்டேன் கனவினை வளர்த்தேன் மணி ஊனை நான் கருத்தினில் நிறைத்தேன் உனக்கே உயிரானே எழும் என்னை நீ மறவாதே நீ இல்லாமல் எது நிம்மதி நிம்மதி தான் என்றும் என் சந்நிதி கண்ணே கலைமானே கன்னிமயிலென கண்டே அந்தி பகலுனை நான் பார்க்கிறேன் ஆண்டவனை இதைத்தான் ராரிராரோ உராரிரோ ராரிராரோ உராரிரோ ராரிராரோ உராரிரோ ராரிராரோ உராரிரோ. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Ashok Kumar. I think it happened naturally, right? It was a Zubi, 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 I love you, and followed by a song of love separation, isn't it? And that feel was very much alive. Thank you so much for giving us this great experience on this great afternoon. And now it's time to request Toastmaster Arumugam to come on stage. For a change, he is going to make us laugh. Toastmaster Arumugam, you know, talking about Toastmaster Arumugam, even if a very poor attendance in AATC to miss meeting, by default, Toastmaster Arumugam will be there for every meeting. He is from Words. Today, he is going to use his skills in making us all laugh. Over to you, sir. Go ahead.
Thank you, TM Modi. First of all, congratulations for joint meeting, both Ambattur Achiever as well as Perambur. And I never missed both meeting. Even plans I will attend. Normally, I attend for Perambur Speaker Club, and after breakfast, I attend Ambattur. That is a routine for the law. That whatever I learned, even these 2 items in the Sunday, I've learned in this lockdown only. About humorous, anyway, I didn't prepare anything, but anyway, whatever in my mind, I will share. Particularly the law, has given a more humorous as well as serious. 4 months back, I got a abnormal cough, but our mind is everywhere is a COVID. Our mind also think COVID. Then I called one of my friends, the doctor, said, Murli, I'm getting some cold and some fever. Hey, Aru, also getting the same thing. Have hot water, it will happen normally. Then we are all human. WhatsApp doctor, no? We are searching everything in a Google WhatsApp message. Actually, I went to pharmacy. Azithromycin, 1 step. Zungovit, 1 step. And Limsi 500, 1 step. Pulsar thermometer, 4,500 rupees invested. And in the separate room, I told my wife and my daughter, don't another 1 week I am to quarantine. Same thing I did. I had azithromycin first day, second day, third day. So one of my senior doctor is also a friend of mine, and I called him. Are you mad? It's a normal fever only. Why you are taking? No, doctor. Everybody says you are a well-educated person. How can you take this stuff without taking a test? Then realize it's a normal fever and cold. This is a human tendency everywhere now. Even as moms, even my yesterday, my elder daughter sneezed. Then I called, what happened, Ardhati? What happened? Then she, every day in my home now, anybody sneezed, then the question is arised. Today morning I sneezed, my younger daughter came. Doctor, will you take a steam? That is happening for this COVID. COVID, lockdown and COVID has changed our life. Even a small things also given a bigger fear to the mind. Over to TM Modi.
Speaking on mute.
Sorry, thank you so much, Toastmaster Aru. We are going to call you hereafter only Aru, because now we No, you are a special name. Thank you for that joke of Corona. Is there anybody? I'll just keep the platform open. Is there anyone else who has not given their names, but they are ready to impart some kind of a special talent?
Yes,
We
maybe
have
after,
Subramani from
after
Perambur
is,
speakers.
yes, sorry, yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, okay. Toastmaster Subramani, are you ready, sir? Toastmaster Subramani, are you ready?
Hi. Good afternoon, everybody. Am I audible?
Yeah, now you are audible. Good afternoon. Go ahead.
Actually, good afternoon, my fellow Toastmaster. Just to spend few times regarding the jokes, I will talk about jokes with to be really. Like this, when we were going in a train, I was traveling with my son, and the train was going and
Toastmaster Subramani, 1 second, if I can intervene. The timer, how many minutes we have, Toastmaster Vinayak?
Yeah.
We
Good
have
afternoon. Special talent chair for you, 6 more minutes.
Thank you so
Overall.
much.
Yeah.
Toastmaster Subramani, sorry for the break. Please proceed.
not an issue, sir. I'll take only 1 minute, sir. 1 or
Not a
1.5 minutes.
problem.
While traveling in the train, generally kids will have the emotion that whenever they say the train, the station name, shouting the station name. So I was also telling, be silent like that. Suddenly the destination came and destination at that. So the kids started shouting, oh, we have reached Bombay, Bombay, Bombay. Then I said, be quiet, be silent. Then Bombay. That is the real happened. And another thing, this it happened in suddenly one day teacher phoned up, came and said, please come to school tomorrow. As usual, as a parent, I made some mistake. So like nervously, as a sincere parent, I went and told my boy what he has done. Then he told, then the madam told me, no, your son is not at all thinking properly. I told, what is the issue? Then she asked me, I'll ask one question, you answer the question. Which animal is the strongest? Elephant? Then as the general knowledge says, I told, madam, it is elephant only. Then the madam said, son has told, he told cockroach is the strongest. I was surprised. I told, madam, no, it is not possible. You call him, then I should ask the reason for why he has said that cockroach is the strongest animal. Then teacher, luckily we all three sat together and I asked why you told that answer. Then the boy innocently said, he told me that cockroach is a living fossil. And as per scientific rule, cockroach can survive a nuclear disaster also. So when an elephant can die in a nuclear blast and cockroach survives, so as per me, this is the strong world. Then neither the madam nor me could hide that what do you call this so-called innocence. Told madam, this is normal. Let him. This is not a big issue. Let her accept that. Then I told academic purpose. Next time, if somebody asks what is the strongest animal, you don't go and you say as per syllabus, it is elephant. And thank you back and thank you for giving me an opportunity.
Thank you so much.
Say some few jokes.
Master Subramani, thank you so much. In your family also into the school teacher and everything into the joke. But you know, the original version of this joke is strongest. That's what the boy says. Yeah. The teacher says, how can you please bring your parents? And then the father says also, yes, ma'am, that's what I have taught. Cockroach is the strongest insect in the world. How come, sir? How can you misguide your son? No. whatever I even shout, my wife does not listen to. Whereas when there is a cockroach, she comes running to me to take care. So that way, cockroach is stronger than my dad. That's what he said. Thank you so much. Very well done. Is there anyone on board, please? Is there anyone on board?
I believe Manikandan raised his hand.
Manikandan.
Wow, great. Okay, Toastmaster Manikandan,
Sir.
we have
Yes, sir.
that thing. Please go ahead. Come.
2
come.
minutes. Sir, I would like to sing a song from the movie. I don't aware of the name of the movie, the Ilayaraja song.
Please go ahead.
Can
Because
I-
it's Ilayaraja, 2 minutes, 2 plus 1 minute, not a problem. Go ahead, sir.
Yes. Rajaraja Cholanna Yenayalum Kadnira Rajaraja Cholanna Yenayalum Kadal Desam Puve Kadal Tive மண் மீது சொர்க்கம் வந்து பெண்ணாக ஆனதே உள்ளுக்கு உண்டானதே ராஜராஜ சோழன் நான் எனையாலும் காதல் தேசம் பூவே காதல் தீவே கண்ணோடு கண்களேற்றும் கற்பூர தீபமே போது பாயும் மின்சாரமே உல்லாசை மேடை மேலே ஊரங்க நாடகம் இன்பங்கள் பாயின் தாயகம் இங்கிங்கு ஊஞ்சலாக நான் போகிறேன் அங்கிங்கு ஆசை தீயில் நான் உன்றாக மோகனம் என் காதல் வாகனம் செந்தாமரை செந்தென் மழை என் நாவினி ஏதே சோழன் நான் எனையாரும் காதல் தேசம் நீதான் பூவே காய்வே கல்லூரும் பார்க்கும் பார்வை உள்ளூர பாயுமே துள்ளாமல் துள்ளும் உள்ளம் செல்லாமே வில்லோடு அன்பு ரெண்டு சொல்லாமல் கொல்லுதே பெண் பாவை கண்கள் என்று பொய் சொல்லுதே உன்றும் ராணி செல்வாக்கிலே என் காதல் கண்கள் போகும் பல்லாக்கிலே தேனோடை ஓரமே நேரமே புல்லாங்குழல் தள்ளாடுமே பொன்மேனி கேளா ராணி ராஜராஜ சோழன் என யாரும் காதல் தேசம் நீதான் பூவே காதல் தீவே. Thank you.
Great, fantastic. Toastmaster Manikandan. That was a very good number and you did your best attempts, I think. Thank you so much. I would like to thank Toastmaster Manikandan, Toastmaster Ashok Kumar, and Toastmaster Jnanam and ma'am at home to have brought top numbers for this evening. And Selvaraj sir, your citation of Toastmasters in both the clubs, number one, it was a different level. And Arumugam sir, your jokes were well received along with Mrs. Original jokes. Thank you so much. I have a very serious suggestion for all the three singers, not three singers. Jnanam only. Ashok Kumar sir did very well. You two also did well, but we have a serious music teacher who resides residence, right? Mrs. Jnanam, she can possibly teach you, take some music classes. Ma'am, we request you to good classes for Jnanam also, in spite of the fact that he is not paying the fees for the teacher. Thank you so much. A great talent pool show. Back to the TMOD. Thank you.
Wow, what an amazing session we had now. Sunatha for conducting this wonderful session. So much like a music competition, I would say. And also you have figured out the teacher, who Manikandan and everybody. Even I'm also in Jnanam sir's class. Thank you so much. So now, moving forward, now here at the session, after the battle comes So we have a special reward chairperson, Toastmaster Saga, who help us in giving the rewards to all the Toastmasters of Perambu speakers to Ambattur Achievers Toastmaster Club. Toastmaster Saga is the IT professional from Tata Group. Eminent Toastmaster played so many roles in the club. Currently, he is serving as the Vice President of Education of AACT. So with no further ado, let me call Toastmaster Saga stage for rewarding session. Over to you, Toastmaster Saga.
Thank you, Riyaz, for the introduction. Everyone to the recognition award session. We would love to recognize our members who have spent their time, effort, and dedication towards as well as their communication and leadership skills. Though they are working in different domains and time zones, they still plan their work and attend may take roles in our clubs and other clubs as well. They could, so today could not have been possible without this. Hold your applause until I finish presenting all the awards to the members. Dharma, could you go to the first award? Toastmaster Anand Kumar. Congratulations. Toastmaster Anjaneya Shastri. Toastmaster Anup Kumar Padmanabhan. Toastmaster Balaji Na. Toastmaster Jagadish Chandaraja. Toastmaster KG. Toastmaster Mutai Babu Dhammaraj. Toastmaster Pirena Samit. Toastmaster Pirena Samit Dureraj. Toastmaster Ramakrishnan Ji. Toastmaster Ramanujam R. It is me, Sagar Kumar Magibogu. Toastmaster Shankar MD. Toastmaster Savraj Ji. Toastmaster Sendil Raju. Toastmaster Sendil Kumar C. Toastmaster Toastmaster Tamilarasu Ponnurangam. Toastmaster Vinayak. Toastmaster Vivek Radhakrishnan. Toastmaster M. Pradeep Kumar. Toastmaster MD Riyaj. Toastmaster Sendil Babu. Toastmaster Satya Subramanian. Toastmaster Ashok Kumar. Kailash Rao. Sharma.
Thank you.
Thank you, and please give a big round of applause for all the members. And thank you all for being a great audience today and bringing just professionalism to the event and supporting the members. Thanks, everyone. Over to you, Team Modi.
Thank you, Toastmaster. The thing is that I missed to see your beautiful face before you're presenting the certificate. But anyway, thanks a lot for conducting this reward session. Yes, now to come to an end of today's session. I believe, hope you are all enjoyed and wonderful music, singing evening, also along with talent. And I believe now today, hope all enjoyed a wonderful and amazing session. So let me hand over the control to the president of Master Club, Toastmaster Musaya, to take the control. Over to you, Toastmaster Musaya. Thank you, guys.
Thank you for the wonderful event, Riaz. You have rocked the meeting of our milestone of both clubs. So now the time to call for the end. So before going to call for this end, I would like to thank the keynote speaker, so Toastmaster Berlina, for providing the valuable information to us. Yeah. Thank you. So we have a time. So the milestone is not the small thing. So number. So when the Toastmasters meeting is becoming a 3-digit number, this is not like a simple effort, because making the demo meeting 1 to the meeting number 25 and 50 and 75 and 100. That is a big thing where the members are very engaged, and they are also feel that part of the club, and they are keep on taking a role to have the quality meetings to sustain to the member editions and member renewals and those things part of the club things. For this, we can also have the backbone of the team. It is an XCOM team. So now this time to recognize all our XCOM members of Perambur Speakers Toastmasters Club and Ambattur Achievers Toastmasters Club. So XCOM is the team who will be working for our members, and we're also having some dedicated club sponsors. Also, every club will be having a mentor-mentee pool coordinator who will be finding them, who all are joining the members and who all are ascending the mentors. They also follow up with them. Those members are also part of the XCOM team members now. Yes. Now is a milestone meeting. So what is the milestone meeting? Now I have reached one milestone. That is what we are celebrating it. So whenever you are in Toastmaster meeting, we will always celebrate. We are not going to end, because milestone is not like a mission for us. This is something like a stepping stone. Now Perambur has become 100. Ambattur has become 125. After 25th meeting, Perambur will reach 125 and Ambattur will be reaching 150. So the milestone will be keep on continuing until this we can going to reach the number n, not for any maybe stopping numbers. As we will be having a few club, there are having 500 meeting, 600 meeting and 700 meeting. So likewise, I would like to maybe thank all of the members as well as the XCOM team member to please continue work towards the quality meeting and moving forward. Now it will be time for get few words from the dignitaries. So the first I would like to call the past revision director, also the club coach, also the singer of the day, and distinguished Toastmaster Ashok Kumar. So could you please share a few words from you?
Good afternoon, presiding officer Babu Dharma, and all the Toastmasters and guests, and Paulina for delivering such an educational, mind-blowing educational session. Thank you. I've been part of, I was the division director when Ambattur Achievers chartering efforts were started by and Toastmaster Periyanna. I gave very limited support from the background. I came for the first demo meeting and came for the chartering ceremony when they had all the 20 members mobilized. It was a very great moment, and they have now completed 2.5 years successfully. And also Perambur Speakers Toastmasters was started, the demo meetings were started during my term, and subsequently during Srinath's term, it got charted. Fine. I'm very happy to see the young and energetic members in the club, and then they're very good, and the passion with which they are conducting the meetings of late, it is tremendous. It gives me hope that this club, Perambur Masters Club, will become a distinguished club at a minimum next year, and further probably select and president distinguished. I look forward to that day. Wish both the clubs all the best, and let's create more communicators and leaders.
Thank you. Thank you, distinguished Toastmaster Ashok Kumar. So now this is a time to call him. He is the person who will be holding multiple cadets of both the club. So he is area director of both the clubs, and he is our sponsor of Ambattur Achievers, also the founder of Ambattur Achievers, and who will be maybe he's like a Captain Cool, as he mentioned by Perambur Speakers Forum, who will be the person who can support in the back, who will be the accelerating point of all the members. Whenever we are getting maybe diluted, he is the person who will be accelerating and who will be triggering the person to become active. So Toastmaster Periyanna, beloved area director as well as our club founder, could you please share your few words about the meeting as well as the club?
Thank you, President Muthia Babu Dharma, for giving me such a wonderful introduction. Congratulations to Ambattur Achievers and Perambur in your milestones, 125th and 100th meeting respectively. It's so close to my heart that these two clubs coming to this level and marching towards more milestones in the days to come. In the way they are making communicators in this arena. So it is very great to see, and I personally congratulate both of Ambattur Achievers and Perambur speakers. I could see the spirit coming out of each of these leaders in taking their roles in the current term. So kudos to all of you, and it is because all of us who are all interested and of you that this moment is possible and movement is happening. It is not because of me or any of us. The effort that has made this possible, and we have come this level, and let us go further beyond too. Without taking much ado, I congratulate all of you, all the leaders, ExCom members and club members. This wonderful moment, celebrations. Let us celebrate and march forward. Thank you. Over to President Dharma.
Thank you, Toastmaster Periyanna, for your maybe motivational words with us. So now it is a time for everyone. So who can maybe requesting Shankar MD, please share. Maybe you can share your experience about and how you are in part of this meeting. Can have maybe the time is 1 to 2 minutes. So timer, please note. So we can have. Maybe this will be like I will call you one by one. So if you are like to provide, feel free to share few lines. Shankar. Yeah, please. Timer, please note. Time is 1 to 2 minutes.
Good afternoon, Shankar.
Member of Ambattur Achiever Toastmaster Club the last 8 months. So today we are celebrating 125th meeting in our club. I'm really proud to be a member of Ambattur Achiever Toastmaster Club. Here today, that keynote speaker she speaks regarding failures and success, and also both Ambattur Achievers and Toastmaster Perambur clubs that did Tamil poem and songs and comedy and all that obviously they did. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Shankar MD. So now we have a person. He is a special person. So who is part of Perambur earlier, and now it is part of Ambattur Achievers. But I didn't see he is from Perambur or Ambattur. He will be always available for TT session. He is the person who will join in middle and take a table topic and will go out. Special person. Toastmaster Anand, can you please share a few words from us actually?
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. It's a great privilege part of this 125th and 100th meeting of PSTC and Ambattur Achievers Toastmaster Club. And I can proud of this 100th meeting. I would have been part of at least 50 meeting of Perambur speakers, and out of this 125 meeting of Ambattur, another 50 meetings of Ambattur Achievers. It's like I'm not initial starting from the demo meetings, Perambur, and chartering ceremonies of the both, and great education sessions by Ambattur Achievers Club from day in and day out. CSTC, and it's all efforts, I would say, of Toastmaster, both the DTM of Ashok sir and Christina, who have played a great part in developing Perambur Speakers Toastmasters Club as well as the Ambattur Speakers, Ambattur Achievers extent, and it is always fun joining both the clubs, and it is a emotional moment for me because it's a milestone of the club which I've been part of. I have been earlier member with Perambur as well as Ambattur. See both the clubs coming together and joining and making the celebration, which was more impactful and done in a very nice. Thank all the EXCOM of both the clubs starting from day one until now, and both the clubs have been doing fabulous and great. I think like the achievements or more to come in near future. I'm looking forward for it. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Anand. So now we have the club growth director of our district 120. So let me invite our mentor mentee full coordinator Toastmaster Guna to invite our club growth director Parthasarathi.
DTM Parthasarathi, our PGD Division 120. Sir, your presence is very special for us today for both the clubs. We are really honored to have today, sir. DTM Parthasarathi, we request you to felicitate us, encourage us to go further on and on. The floor is yours, sir.
Thank you so much, Master. Glad to be part of this occasion to you. And you confirm if I'm audible?
Yeah, clear. It's perfect.
Yes, thank you so much. It's a Sunday, and I know it's a time where it's a time for all of us to relax. However, there are situations when I am partially at work as well, so just finishing some tasks on the work front, but nevertheless, I'm glad I could make it to milestone meet both for Ambattur Achievers as well as Perambur Speakers Toastmasters Club. It gives me immense pleasure to be here today amidst all of you. And to be very frank, it's in this particular scenario where we have a situation of really challenging times. The challenges it's really heartfelt. Some of our very close members, even Toastmasters, who had to leave us patients. So it's a really challenging time that we have. But nevertheless, I think we have to look at Toastmasters from a perspective where it has been a supporting organization. Started off Toastmasters, it's a mutually supportive organization, and it supports even when we are not in person. And to be very frank, this is a very, you can still interact with people. You're still following the rules of the government and so on. But nevertheless, that's something which helps us keep connected. So that the body needs exercise, but the mind also equally needs exercise. And that's where there are different things to do. And one of them is making sure we interact with people, try to understand new ideas, and sometimes even comprehend them and even question those ideas. So this is a forum where you can and still feel happy about it. End of the day, I would really agree with all of you that if you're having a wonder in celebrating the milestone meet today, and I'm really glad that for both the clubs we have good set of well-wishers, especially coaches, the distinguished Toastmaster Ashok and Toastmaster Vinod, who have been helping Perambur speakers, the Ambattur Achievers, the well-wishers who have been the mentors, who we have seen, Toastmaster Guna and the others as well. So thank you so much. It makes us a lot of people to support you, to guide you, and take you on the right path. And I'm sure we are going to see more achievements, more laurels from both the clubs, to both the club members, and look forward to your club achieving greater heights. Thank you so much for inviting me here. Hand over the control back to ceremonies for today.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Your golden words virtually help us, all of us, to march further strong. Thank you. Mutaya, over to you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Guna, for facilitating our club co-director of District 120. So now maybe we can have the members, they can share their experience to us. So maybe I'm requesting.
Toastmaster Mutaya Babu.
Yes, yeah, Pradeep.
Before proceeding, I would like to also recognize our club member.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to call Trimalesh Rao.
Yeah, Toastmaster Manikandan and Toastmaster Trimalesh Rao. I think Toastmaster Manikandan has
missed. Okay. Sure. Sure. Yeah, great. Sure, thank you. Now maybe let me welcome Toastmaster Trimalesh Rao to the stage, and please share.
Hi.
Yes.
Yeah, sure. Good afternoon, guests, educational guest from Parlina ma'am, distinguished Toastmasters, and my fellow Toastmasters for having this of 100th meeting of Perambur Toastmasters Club and 125th meeting of Ambattur Speakers Toastmasters Club. I wanted to share one of my experience after joining, how I could come into this. Really, Mr. Partha Sarathi and they were sharing their views, how the Toastmaster will help even in the personal or professional life. So here, truly, if I want to tell you, so I just came from last year from Calcutta. I was not aware. I was searching through online where I have to where I got disconnected. Then one fine day when I went to KRM Public School, so there I found Toastmasters brochure. Then I got the area director here. Then again I came into Toastmasters fraternity. I got connection. Is that the Toastmaster is not only a kind of a communication skills or not only the leadership skills. It connects to the overall the people are having a kind of a positive thinking and want to grow in their life, their professional life. Friends aside, sometimes what happens, professional friends will not be that much of a fair enough because sometimes all these people will think that this forum is not like that and everybody will support everybody. So this is what the more important, and have seen this in a Toastmaster. My mentor is, I can say proudly, this is DTM Ashok Kumar Garu. So he guided me for my when I contacted Pradeep Kumar, then I told him that see, my age, according to my age and experience, I should get such a coach for me. So there should not be a gap. So you find me some senior person who is in age, experience, so who has crossed and seen all his life, so that he can guide their brother or so whatsoever it may be in a senior person in home. So I have requested him because that I was missing in Kolkata Salt Lake Toastmasters Club. There were no here. The achievement of even today, what I can inform proudly to both the clubs, that it is not only the crowd of the people joining in the club. It is the commitment of the people who has taken the commitment for the clubs. The senior people here, like Ashok Kumar Garu, okay, and all Ambattur. Since I know them, so I am just referring their name. It doesn't mean that so others are not taken care, because this is the first interaction with Ambattur Speakers Toastmasters Club. So all this even is the commitment. What that is the reason even today the people are getting benefited. You are amazing, and you are doing the best job for the society, not for the only individuals. So you are doing the betterment for the working of the health of the society, family, and everything. Kudos to you all, and Toastmasters, all the committed Toastmasters from my end. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Tirumalesh Rao. So now the time to call the person from Parambur Speakers Forum. So Toastmaster Manikandan, so the singer of the day today as well. Yeah, could you please, yes, please go ahead.
Thank you for the opportunity, all fellow Toastmasters. So
Good evening.
initially, actually, I started to enhance my communication. So I'm searching for the friend or a candidate with the English. So it starts, this career starts from there actually. So Mr. Bhagat, who's my friend now, actually he had guided the path. He had show me the path of then only I got aware of Toastmaster, and I also surf in internet what about the Toastmaster, what kind of site. I'm sorry, it's not a business. What kind of it's a talent acquisition thing. I thought so. I know. So everybody were in enhancing their speech and leadership skills. They are grooming well, and not the people are so brave to speak in front of the people, and it is something weird for me. Actually, I'm not a person of talking in front of the groups. I feel very shy. So after that, when I entered inside, I observed all the people and how their braveness, their clarity in speaking, their giving the good information, and it is a very useful thing, I can say, and it is also precious platform to I thought it is the precious platform to prove myself also, and it is like a test and trial platform. I test myself in this platform, so that in the other the originality I will perform well. I also observe so many patients from you, or while I am performing, while doing something, you are encouraging me. So that's a great thing. You are encouraging something which they are pulling out some insight from us. They are making us to aware of something, aware of conscious in us, in our talents, to showcase in front of others. This is the thing I actually learned from Toastmasters. So it is very helpful for me, and luckily I got this opportunity. So many of them, I think, don't aware of those who are out of this, don't aware of this, and want to advertise about this to them and bring some what Bhagat did. I have to did some to bring them inside and to groom them. So that is my vision. Okay, thank you all.
Yes, thank you, Manikandan. So thank you for sharing your experience. So now let me go for the person, and who will be the timer now, and who is passed up Ambattur Achievers Toastmaster Club, Toastmaster Vinayakamurthy. Could you please make your time also recorded, and you can start. Please go ahead.
Thank you, TM Dharma. Good afternoon to all. So first of all, I would like to congratulate Ambattur Achievers. It's really the great session, and I congratulate both the president who worked very well and well planned meeting. So it was really wonderful, and I would like to thank you, Madam, our educational speaker, Madam also, because generally think about success, and here many things to be noted is that only that failure. So how we should come up failure to the success. So that is called one resilience. That's a life skill that is Madam explained very well from our Toastmasters club experience. Also came across that experience, and similarly, and all our seniors Toastmasters, TM Ashok and our TM Guna and TM Pech. So everyone is supported very well, because initially I'm in the sales department, but still many times I missed to uh, communicate word during the discussion with the customers and all. So, and the main thing is that improper speaking skills that I was lacking during a sales negotiation conversation with the customer. So that I was lacking. And here, due to the table topic section, I'm improving my skills thinking. So it is really wonderful session, and many times I missed it. Now I'm able to do very well in my session. And TM Dharma.
Yes, thank you for your experience, Toastmaster Vinayagamurthy. So now I would like to call the club coach of Parambo Speakers Toastmasters Club, this distinguished Toastmaster Ashok Kumar, to facilitate our keynote speaker. Berlina.
Once again, good evening to all. It was a very inspiring speech by Toastmaster Berlina. The experience that shared, many of the contestants can feel it. Even I have gone through that personally when my name was not in the winners list at the end, be it at the club level or area level or division level. The feeling is the same. Luckily, the last time I could come as a runner-up first division level. So your session on philosophy, that's a good term, and the session was, delivery was great. We all could learn something out of the way you structured your session and delivered it. Thank you for giving such a wonderful session. Back to you, Toastmaster Dharma.
Thank you once again, distinguished Toastmaster Ashok Kumar. So now we have this person joined. So division director, distinguished Toastmaster Aarti Mangalam Jairaj. I would like to request our maybe the veteran Toastmaster of our Toastmaster, who is Toastmaster from the decade, Toastmaster KG Guna, to invite our division director.
Good evening, everyone. Once again, it's such a pleasure to introduce someone who's the oven, fresh as our DD for the coming tenure, DT Aarti Mangalam Jairaj. Ma'am, thank you so much for your presence here. Your presence definitely makes a positive difference. A very important milestone day for both the clubs. May I now request on behalf of all on board to say a few words about DD.
Sure. Thank you so much, Toastmaster Guna, and thank you all members of Ambattur Achievers Club. Let me, not a great start, but let me nevertheless start by apologizing for joining this late. My grandmom's in a rush over there, and then I wanted to come. I wanted to at least join for the last half an hour or so. That's why I joined at the end of the session, so please excuse me. It's always a pleasure to be at a milestone of any club. Though I missed the keynote session, but with what little I heard from Ashok Kumar, I realized it was all about failures, and I thought I'll share a very interesting story of mine personally. I joined Toastmasters in 2016, and come January of 2017, all of us were in the contest mode. My very first club and TP. I had a fantastic script. My entire club looked at me as if like they knew I was good when it came to an ISC session. I was on stage in all glory talking about my experience and had a message to share. I completed the script and all got a very close friend in my club looking at her and like asking, okay, what do you think? Expecting all praises. And she looks at me with a very, says, let's see. And I'm like, why is she not appreciating me? And then the break was announced. My then area director, who's also this DTM Sriram from DXC, calls me aside and says, Aarti, you know what, fantastic speech. I've never heard a speech like that. Gives me all of evaluation and then comes the negative, you've been time disqualified. I had absolutely no idea what to do. For me, that day, my life was like, the entire Toastmaster journey was over. And then went on to the TT topic, TT contest. And I won in TT. While the second place winners and the third place winners were appreciated, here's the one who's won and going on to the area level, no one bothered to appreciate. My club was furious that I could get time disqualified. And that's the only thing they were talking. And then at the end of everything, by the time we left, going on to our workplaces, like one last minute buy. Anyways, you won in TT, now go focus more on TT. And till the district stage. And the only advice I got from my club was, look at the timer. Whatever happens, don't miss the timer. Nervous. I have this habit, 2 pieces of accessories I never miss is 1, I never miss my perfume. 2, the only 2 accessories you would normally see me with. There I am at the district stage. I'm about to be called without even realizing, suddenly I've forgotten to wear my perfume. I'm so conscious about this, but I always have a roll-on perfume in my handbag. I pick it up, I apply blazer. You could just put your hand inside and apply and no one's going to know about it. And that's exactly what I do. And after a few minutes, I can actually saw methanol. Methanol is the most important product in all your headache balms. I'm like wondering who is wearing so much headache balm. And then my body starts burning. And that's when I realized in all this tension, instead of picking up my perfume, I picked up my Safe Care balm and I've applied it. I can't do anything, the place where the contest was held and where we were staying is about 40 kilometers. I can't do an entire burning sensation, went on stage, had no idea what I spoke. Before the yellow card was shown, I finished my speech. Of course, I didn't win that year. For me, it was a fantastic learning point. I was determined to make it in Toastmasters. Maybe if I'd won on the district stage, with which I came back the next year, I tried all the way, went up to division in both ISC evaluation and TT, I would have probably stopped. And today, thank you so much, Toastmaster Guna. He spoke to me as the incoming district director. It is the incoming program quality director. But even that stage, I would not have taken it seriously, but for that failure. If I had succeeded, I think success would have gone to my head and said, okay, stopped over there. But failure literally became a stepping stone. And I think if I could leave the team with one message, that would be failure is a stepping stone for success. And I'm wishing both Ambattur Achievers and Perambur Toastmasters Club many more successes, failure, many learnings which others will not get. Thank you so much, and back to you, Toastmaster Gun.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Sorry for that. Aarti Mangalam Jairaj, our Program Quality Director, PQD District 120. Thank you so much for your words of wisdom. Back to Mutaya.
Yeah, thank you, Toastmaster Guna. So now the time to collaborate. So I'm invite the President of Perambur Speakers Forum, Perambur Speaker Toastmaster Club, Toastmaster Pradeep. Yes.
Yes, Toastmaster.
Yeah, we are going to adjourn the meeting number 125 from my side to the virtual gavel. I am also requesting you to adjourn the meeting number 100, and I'm going to adjourn this meeting.
Yes, I'm adjourning the meeting number 100 of Perambur, and we wish you all the very success for Perambur Speakers Toastmasters Club and also Ambattur Achievers Toastmasters Club to conduct very more milestone meetings, and I look forward for that. Thank you all dignitaries for participating in our club, and also I would like to thank our keynote speaker, ma'am.
So thank you all. So I too adjourn
And the meeting room is open for networking.
Yes, the meeting is adjourning. Meeting number 125. I would like to special thank for current division F director, distinguished Toastmaster Aarti Mangalam Jairaj, and our current club grow director Parthasarathi. So who has maybe there is a busy schedule in the weekend. For that as well, please be very thankful to accept our invite and part of this milestone meeting. Very happy to be this meeting. Thank you. So now the official meeting got closed. So now the time for the network time.